Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block or disable all comments from appearing on your YouTube channel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your YouTube Studio and then select the Setting Gear button at the bottom left. And at this point, you want to go ahead and select where it says Upload Defaults and select the Advanced Settings button. Scroll down. Underneath where it says comments, you can click on the drop down to go ahead and just turn off comments. And then you would have to click on the save button to save it. You can also adjust the moderation settings here as well. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.